Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Unice hair again. So in today's package, I'm seeing the wig first, which we're gonna get into in a few. I got a few goodies. I did get this edge brush and comb, and they gave an extra head inside. Also a branded Unice elastic headband, and lastly a pair of HD wig caps. This wig today has me in awe from Unice. Okay, this is Unice's Bye Bye Knots 7x5 pre-cut lace closure glueless wig. It's a black cherry color, they say, and it is beautifully layered. Like, I could see it right out of the packaging, and it's a straight texture, by the way. So put on and go, pre-plucked, very realistic hairline wig. So it's 180% in density. I must say it feels very full, and it's 24 inches long. All right, this is so luscious and lovely. As I say, it's glueless, so it's perfect for the beginners. The inside of the cap looks like this. It has the curvature here to accommodate your ear shape, and to just let the wig sit comfortably on your head. There's this added elastic band on the inside for more security, and also there are adjustable straps in the back. There is one comb in the cap in the back, and that helps as well with security. Construction is nice overall, so no complaints there. And it does say, as I say, it's pre-cut and pre-plucked in the front. The color job is stunning. I love this color. It's very discreet, and if you want to tap into colors, you will enjoy something like this. I love the black cherry vibe, definitely do. So let me go ahead and do this very easy and quick installation. I must say, right off the bat, when slipping this on, it is super secure on my head. I love that. Let me do a shake test. The wig is going absolutely nowhere. All right, it's really nice and secure. All right, so the only thing, you can see the cast here in the front, so I need to go ahead and eliminate that. I'm gonna cut away the parts that has absolutely no hair on it, and then I'll kind of I'll use my face powder to further blend away the cast.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
Oh, by the way, you have a lot of space to work with this closure. You could go ahead and do a nice side part. You could do different styles within it, so I'm gonna give you guys 2 other styles as well. So let's get into it.
Hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Before I went into anything else, I started off with the first style, which I just did 2 little ponytails on top here. And just to keep the wig in place while I did that, I just applied the Unice elastic band. So even though it's a closure wig, you can still be versatile and do different styles with it, and it's very full. Yeah, definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Love it. So that's hairstyle number 1. For the next look, I'm just gonna do like a side part. I want to keep this the center part, but I want to do a side part as well, just so you guys can see that. You know, feel free to go ahead and switch it up as much as you please. Play around with the space that you have, you know. So get my PS Lux wax stick, of course. This is the only wax stick I use at the moment. And I'll get my hot comb and get that laid.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than
Do that. That's so nice and sleek. And this is the state of the hair directly out of the box. Okay, I've just laid the top with my hot comb, but it's looking really nice. It is looking really nice, very realistic. The hair, oh, it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. You're not seeing through the hair. It's not thin at all. Like, it, you could tell it's great quality. So yeah, this is look number 2. Let's get into the third look, which we're gonna go with the classic center part.
anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher.
Oh gosh, you see these layers? It is so stunning. And all this flawlessness, while it's completely glueless, is just top. It's just top tier, honestly. It really is. So shout out to Unice here for another wig slay, because they did it. I love the color. It's definitely a 10. The construction is a 10. The quality is a 10. It's very minimal shedding, just so you guys know, and it's very versatile. Like, as I showed you guys, you do have enough space to work with the closure. It lays really nice and flat. It's very realistic looking. It's just, you know, giving that clean, well put together vibe. And on top of that, it's so convenient. You just literally throw it on and go. So, I mean, it's a win-win situation, right? Yeah, Unice, you did it again. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. So if you guys are interested in getting this for yourself or somebody else, you can go ahead and check out down below and do so. Any discount code I may have will be listed down below as well. That's it for today. I hope you found this wig look, you know, this wig video informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, share this video, like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and stay up to date with all the looks I put over here. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.